Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. Fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Anaam, وَأَقْسَمُوا بِاللَّهِ جَهْدَ أَيْمَانِهِمْ لَئِنْ جَاءَتْهُمْ آيَةٌ لَيُؤْمِنُنَّ بِهَا قُلْ إِنَّمَا الْآيَاتُ عِنْدَ اللَّهِ وَمَا يُشْعِرُكُمْ أنها إذا جاءت لا يؤمنون. Translation: And they swear by Allah with their solemn oaths that if signs come to them, they will surely believe. Say, signs or revelations are only with Allah, and how you can be sure that if signs would come to them, they will not believe. We have studied this topic before, that the polytheists of Mecca used to ask Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam for the signs of prophethood, and they would say many things to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. For example, they would say that the mountain of Safa should be of pure gold, and if you can do that, O Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we will believe in you and we will become Muslim. Some simple Muslims and even Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam had this thought that if Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala would show them the signs they are asking, they will become Muslims and this will help Islam. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has clearly mentioned in this ayah that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has all the signs. He has absolute power. He can do whatever they are asking, even more than what they are asking. But the point is that even if Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala shows them the sign they are asking, they are not going to believe in the signs. As we have studied about the previous prophets, when their people asked for signs and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala showed them the signs, they did not believe in the prophets. And after that, once the sign is shown and they don't believe, they are destroyed. The punishment of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala comes and the whole nations are destroyed, as the nation of Saleh alayhi salam. So when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala refused their request to show the sign, it was actually the mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that He did not show the sign, because the polytheists of Mecca would have rejected the signs and then they would have received the punishment of being destroyed. And this was the absolute hikmah and wisdom of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala not to show the signs, because we saw in the seerah of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam that majority of the polytheists of Mecca accepted Islam in the end, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave them the chance and more time by not showing the signs they were asking. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the vision so that we can identify the truth open-heartedly and we can accept the truth and act on the truth. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.